Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter your tasks in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we have to go into my tasks in the bottom bar. And here below the My Tasks thing, we find the row of other buttons, and we have to tap on filters. And here we can select from either the assignee or due date. Filters, we can tap on the assignee to select this kind of filter, or the due date to filter it by the date that it has to be done by. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.